Hey everyone, welcome to one of the most iconic views in all of Dubrovnik. Perched high on a cliff just outside the city walls, it offers an unbelievable view of the old town below and the Adriatic Sea. Here we are at the top of the fort, and we are going to take a walk from the top down to the bottom. The views are amazing, but I'm going to let these views speak for themselves for a bit. So stick around for this walk, and I'm also going to give you some tips for visiting Dubrovnik. Okay, it's our little tour guide here. Where are we going? Quick tip if you're planning to walk the city walls or visit any museums in Old Town. Definitely consider getting something called the one-day pass for about 40 euros. The pass will give you access to the city walls, the entry to this fort, which is usually 15 euros alone, plus entrance to many of the other museums in the Old Town. So it's a great deal to get the pass if you're going to do more than one thing while in Dubrovnik. So how can you buy this pass? 1, you can buy it online in advance. 2, you can also buy it at the travel center right outside of the Old Town walls. How much time will you need to visit? I would give it about an hour or so, just to take your time and to take a lot of photos, and then after I would head back into the Old Town and do more exploring there. There's so many great things to see in Dubrovnik. I won't lie to you, it's going to be so hard to do it all in one day. So if you have more than one day, great. If not, live it up in your one day in Dubrovnik. You're still going to have an amazing time. There's so many great things to see. You're going to definitely want to come back and see more.
Teraz tak na właśnie ktoś mówi, że później wraca, to jak będzie 20 parę lat, to jeszcze płacą za wycieczki, nie? To później znowu chcą jeździć 20 parę.
Do you need more tips on visiting Dubrovnik? I have a video guide coming out real soon, or depending on when you're watching this, it might already be published on the channel. There'll be a link below in the description of the video, or just browse my homepage of my YouTube channel and look out for the Dubrovnik travel guide. Thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you in the next video adventure.